To withdraw money from OKX, you can follow these steps, which are similar for both the mobile app and desktop website. Start by going to the Assets section and clicking on Withdraw. You will then have two options: withdrawing crypto or cash. If you want to withdraw to your bank account, select Cash, choose your currency, add your bank account details, and enter the amount you want to withdraw. For crypto withdrawals, select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, enter the crypto address for the exchange you are withdrawing to, and ensure that both exchanges are using the same network for a smooth withdrawal and deposit process. Finally, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and you can also withdraw to another crypto exchange. The process is relatively simple and can be completed on either the mobile app or desktop website.